everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the analog stick drift on your Xbox controller without opening it. So a lot of times I use this method where I just rotate it to the right 10 times, just like this. Once I get to about 10, I stop. Then I rotate it to the other side, just like this. You try going up and down and then pressing it in, and do that on all the sides here. Just press it in and then lift up on the stick, and you'll feel it actually lift up just like that. And then go up and down about 10 times. And then the most important thing is to put it to the side and then take your mouth and in this gap push down. And you can get some separation in there, and you can blow in with your mouth. I know it sounds kind of goofy, but when I'm in the middle of like Call of Duty and I notice this and I blow into there just like this, it actually starts working again. So just do this on the right side, the left side, press up and then down, and then you can just manipulate the stick to the right and left about 10 times and then lift up and down. But that is usually what fixes this for me temporarily. If I want to go into a deeper fix, I would have to remove the cover and then actually clean it off with some rubbing alcohol. But hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.